How y'all doing? It's King Chains. Hope y'all taking care of yourself during these times. I'm on my morning walk. I go to the park by my house in nature, and I walk as many trails. It's so beautiful. There's a calmness and a peace when I come out here. So for those who are going through the transitions and feel it, it's good to get in nature because it helps you stay in the 0 point field. In the I am. Really don't know what I'm gonna say today. It's quite interesting because I remember my first time going to the park. I was actually gone for 3 hours in the park and deep in the woods, and for the first hour I was on my phone. You know, I know, shame on me, right? As the hour went away, I was like, yo, and I started losing connection. I started losing connection to the internet, and so it kind of forced me to put my phone away. So for the next hour, I just started walking, just kept walking, bum, bum, bum. I was like, yo, screw this, just kept going. And then for the last hour, I would say I actually had a state of bliss. I actually enjoyed it. It was quite beautiful. You know what I mean? It mellowed me out, felt good. Cleared my head, so now I'm able to, you know what I'm saying, use it and function properly. So anyways, my phone can't reach the internet, so I'm kind of dolo, but all is good. Hold on, there's people passing. How y'all doing? The one stick I pick up breaks. Yo, so I was thinking like, you know how my phone's not connected to the internet. That's how a lot of us are walking around. You know what I'm saying? You can have fun on your phone, playing games. But after a while, those games get boring, those programs get boring. And a lot of things are trying to distract me right now. Yeah, so if you're not connected to the net, you just walk around like one big narcissistic person. You gotta open the heart. I don't even know if I'm gonna even save this video or not, but I know there's something in there. Something to eat on.